And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the unarticulated tag. It's often used to underline text, but it actually means unarticulated and not underlined or anything. Let us just add it to this word right here. It has an opening and a closing tag. It's simply the U. I save it, reload it, and now this word is underlined. And once again, don't mistake it for a simple formatting tag. It's used for unarticulated words or sentences. For example, if you misspell a word, it's used. And I've also seen it for foreign words, let's say Chinese or something. Be careful that you don't mistake it for a link. Let me add a link right here and I give it a simple href. Let's make it youtube.com. You can see this link is also underlined. It's bluish by default. But if you change the style and make it black, let me do that. You will see that the link is going to look exactly like our underline word, so the misspelled underline. And this is what you should be careful with. So if you use this U tag, make sure that your link has a different styling so that the user doesn't mistake it for a link. You can see it looks exactly the same. And if I hover over it, the link changes my cursor, the underline doesn't, but the user doesn't know that up front. So this is what you have to watch out for. And this is how you can use the unarticulated tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.